Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to everyone, our new channel, Mobile Repairing Shop, Prestige Mobile Repairing Shop in Jeddah. We will tell you in our upcoming videos how to dismantle the board, the LCD and the jackets of the mobiles and tabs, iPhone, Samsung. That will be helpful for you. How to change the LCD, how to change the board, iPhone, Samsung, all the models. We are specialists in mobile repairing and sales purchased in Jeddah, Palestine Road, in front of Naft petrol station. So please like, subscribe and share our channel so that you can get more videos from our channel. How to repairs mobiles, tablets and the devices like all kind of iPhone and Samsung. In the future you can watch our more videos and it will be very helpful for you. If you guys have any question, you can in description or in comments you can ask the question. We will reply you how to manage, dismantle, assembled and the rates about the LCDs, batteries, iPhone, Samsung. And now we are doing here dismantling one iPhone tab. We have to change its board. You can see how to remove the jackets, cables. We will tell you everything. Prestige Mobile Repairing and Sales Purchase channel in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So please like and subscribe our channels so that you will get our more upcoming videos. Today it's our first vlog and now you will get a lot of videos from our sides, helpful videos in mobiles, iPhone and Samsung repairing. Please like, subscribe and share our channels. Thank you.